Ring Doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day. Your Ring Doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So let's talk about something that every household should own, and that is peanut M&Ms. I mean, they're healthy, they're nutritious, I mean, they're basically pure protein, probably not too keto, but who am I to judge? Actually, we probably should own, at this point, is a Ring video doorbell. There's a bunch of different types out there. This is the Ring Doorbell Pro. All right, so the Pro is slimmer. It's been out for a couple of years, but it still has a lot of the great features that you would want in a doorbell, and they're actually going down in price. They're well under $200 now on Amazon, and they have full HD video. They have the two-way talk that you can record clips when you get the subscription. You have the zones to monitor what you want to record, what you don't want to record. It has advanced motion sensitivity, so you can kind of keep an eye on what it actually captures. So it's actually overall a great little product. Now this one is slim because it's designed to kind of replace an existing doorbell with the existing wires, and we will do an install here real quick and talk about the features. But there are other doorbells if you need something that's battery operated, if you need something just to kind of stick up there on the wall. If you don't want to spend the kind of money that this is, I think they have one under $100. So let's take a look at what's in this product right here. So here is the packaging the Ring Doorbell Pro comes in. As you can see, very small, slim, minimalistic, which is the intent because it is only hardwired power, so there's no batteries or rechargeable batteries you need to replace. And then 1080p HD video, two-way talk, live view, real-time notifications to your phone via the Ring app, privacy controls, color night vision, the Ring protection plan, so for a few bucks a month, you can get the subscription to kind of save videos to the cloud, have smart alerts, have Alexa greetings, typical stuff you've seen with Ring doorbells in the past, and dual band Wi-Fi as well, help keep with that connectivity. Nice, so we'll never miss a moment. Typical Ring stuff there. Talk about the app. So let's see what this looks like on the inside here. There you go. There it is right there. So you got a couple of pull tabs. Pull those out. And it's just two sleeves with everything you need for the installation and setup of this. Comes with a screwdriver, typical Ring fashion here. Plate options for mounting. Here's your connector that's going to go into your doorbell inside, and then here is the camera itself. Again, very minimalistic. And the only thing you really need, unless you really want to read through this stuff, is going to be this quick start guide right here, because everything is going to be set up through the app. So let's get that going right now. I've already had the Ring app set up with my account for a while, but you do want to set up an account on the Ring app. It's kind of the first step, and then you can go and add a camera, which I did right here, added a doorbell, linked it to my current address, and you can choose where it is, front door. And as you can see, it's a very simple step-by-step, and that's all you have to do is follow these steps, and I'll show you what to do right now. So first things first, kill the power at the breaker. Check to make sure your doorbell is officially powered off. Head on inside to where your actual doorbell is. Should be looking like a cover like this. Take the cover off very carefully, and you will see a screw that's labeled rear and a screw labeled trans. Loosen these up slightly. Don't loosen them up all the way so that they fall off, because you'll actually just need to slide a couple of wires underneath each screw. They're both black. Doesn't really matter which one they go under as long as they are nice and snug, and tighten down to make sure that they stay in place. Then you're going to want to take the module and take the little sticky tape off the back, a little double-sided tape. Go ahead and stick it to the side of your doorbell out of the way. That way the cover can close and this doesn't move around. Take out any tags, flatten any wires, just kind of making sure that it's a good fit and nothing to snag on when you put the cover back on. Get the cover back on nice and snug just like it was. Head over outside to your doorbell, unscrew the two screws on your doorbell, typical two-screw setup on most of these doorbells, and you'll see the wire behind there, black and red. You will want to remove these wires completely. Then take your doorbell, pop out the actual camera from the cover. There might be some tape in the way or some film. And that way you have full access to all the film and any kind of stickers left over. Get those out of the way before install. You have two terminals on the back there. Those screws are going to be hooked to the red and black wire there. It doesn't really matter which one it is, but before you do so, check the wire length. I did have to trim mine back. It was way too long. And then also check placement of the actual Ring doorbell. and then bend the wires properly so that they can wrap around the 2 screws on the back of the Ring doorbell, and then tighten down with a screwdriver. Fun fact, the screwdriver that came with this doorbell was not a Phillips, so I had to find my own. It was kind of weird. Normally Ring's pretty good about that, but the bit was not correct for the Phillips screws that came with it. Grab the top and bottom screw. There should be 2 screws that are designed to go in the top and bottom holes of the Ring doorbell, and tighten them in. You could do a pre-drill here if you'd like, but honestly the wood around a frame like this is usually pretty soft, so it was no problem to just kind of put it in there and level it out and screw it in. Fit real nice. Then put your cover back on. They do actually sell replacement covers, and they actually send you a coupon code to get a replacement cover for free, shipped, which is very nice. And then you also have the power. It takes about a minute to come on. Gray and then a blue light. So that's pretty nice. Comes on pretty quick.
Ring doorbell is connected to the Ring app. Ring doorbell is connecting to the internet. Just a moment. Rome wasn't built in a day. Ring doorbell is ready to go. With Ring, you're always home.
So this is kind of video quality you get. Daylight, slight breeze, motion starting right at the driveway. You can kind of see about halfway up the driveway. I heard the ring notification on the phone. So video, audio, pretty good. Daylight. And this is an example of the night vision with just one street light on. Probably about a half moon tonight, so not too bad, but this is the good interpretation of night vision with the audio with limited light. So here is the Ring app right here. Very easy to use, a lot of good features here, and of course they incorporate a lot of other Ring products as well into this app. So if you do get other products down the road, you can use the same app for that. I do have 23 days of my 30-day trial for the Ring Protection Plan. Now if you do want to save or share your video recordings, you will need this plan. I think it's like $3 a month or $30 a year. Very competitive price compared to other products on the market that are similar to Ring. Also have the neighbors community board up here, which is kind of a chat room. You can go and post different comments if there's any activities or anything going on in the neighborhood or around your community. You'll see those there. Kind of neat to have that. You also have history and then also a few other different things in here depending on what Ring products you own. So very easy to use. And then if you just click right here, you can kind of see your Ring activity. You can tap to go live. Doesn't take long at all. You can talk live, you can share, you can go and exit out of here, go back to the main screen, go here, you can go and scroll through, see if there's any activity. You can also go by date, by time, go back to live. Settings up here opens up this part right here, which allows you to go through your history, different settings, motion sensors, chimes. I mean, there's endless things on here. Motion settings right here. This is really important where you want your zones to be. So you open it up to kind of decide on where your zones are and how sensitive those zones are. That way you don't want to hit anything on the street. You want someone coming up your driveway or maybe walking the front yard anywhere. Use the zone for that. So I find it very useful. Ring so far has been really good. The app's been really good. No issues at all. I've had like Nest and Blink and things like that in the past as well and still use some of those. But Ring overall has been really simple to use, and I think the price point is really affordable to be able to have some sense of home security in your house and be able to have a nice upgraded doorbell that gives you that nice kind of view of what's coming up on your driveway, if there's any packages on your porch, kind of get some of that peace of mind. The wrong screwdriver. How weird is that? Other than that, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro has been great. Installation was super easy. Just follow those steps in the app as you saw. The actual app itself is very user-friendly. I think anyone can install these. It's very easy to do. You don't need a professional, you don't need a handyman or anything like that. Just follow the steps, and then once you do have it installed, you get that peace of mind. Plus you have that community aspect with Ring that really makes it so you can kind of see what's going on, see if there's any car break-ins or porch pirates, or if there's a fire in the neighborhood, or alert or something, anything going on, you can always get those notifications to your phone. So this kind of technology has really come a long way, and I think Ring is an affordable way to have some kind of smart technology in your home to replace your existing doorbell, and everyone should own one. So if you have any questions at all about the install or the app or anything you've seen in this video today, hit it down in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. As always, guys, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, that like button below really helps me out. Head on over to Instagram, follow us there, Gear Know-How, and then follow us over on Facebook, like us there for all the latest and greatest deals on the internet, and I'll see you guys in the next review.